red 4. Is there a black 3?
Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's under there? Good.
Snake and cat playing
We
together.
don't have any 2s. And these are black, 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 black.
Play with the snake, baby.
Less than a jack would be a 10. There's no 10. So you turn over that card right there.
Look.
Eyes are purple and
Okay, we don't
yellow.
have any red 8s.
Look, Lacey.
Purple.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
He's petting it.
Did you get that?
Uh-huh.
That's enormous.
That was kind of funny.
There's a red jack.
Dang.
Okay, now is there a
That is ginormous.
red 9?
You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, the same thing we saw.
Why do you keep saying that?
Well, I keep saying that.
Black 9.
Dude, that's your treat.
What color? Okay.
Is it on the property? Wow.
Any 10s?
What happened to y'all?
The only one 10 you have there, you want to look up here and see if you have one up at the top. Once you play this about 3 or 4
Like,
times,
hey, what's up, people? Oh, here's a snake. Let me play with them.
They call it the carriage house now.
I told Lacey you can be eaten by a snake.
there's no red queen.
So would they do convert it to a carriage house?
Originally, you know, the house is
Black 4 showing?
Can you reach him?
separate from building now.
No.
Oh, there's a snake head.
Yeah.
Whoa.
They have wood burning stoves and stuff.
Get on me. Gonna get on me.
But it's up there. You've already got a black flag.
Get it, Lacey. Get it.
That was the kitchen, and that's where
See,
they took
you
Get it.
ever get a 2 of hearts?
Yeah.
It's going under the chair.
So this goes ace is
Got it
on
in
here.
hand. You don't even
And then you
kitchen.
keep it.
Go get the snake.
Sometimes I don't win.
There's-
Well, that makes
this one
sense.
was probably
Have a
the
red 5 in
At
here.
least
there was probably, I don't know, 400 feet from the house.
But you can't do that. You have to have a, when you got a red 7.
We'll be right back.
See?
Well, we'll be right here.
Okay, you guys stay there.
We're not going anywhere.
Look at the top. Black 5.
You see the
Lacey, go
snake?
look at the camera.
See the snake?
Oh, that's down the
We're
porch.
getting good at this, okay?
It goes all the way
Now we got
We
a-
done?
all the way around the house.
Do we have a black?
Don't
We're gonna
mind.
go to the right.
You done with the snake?
Well, I'm not going the other way.
Go this way.
This is your last YouTube famous moments, Lacey. What you gonna
Second
do? You
count.
wanna dance?
What's that?
Ciao, 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 ciao.